Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a a profitable Fiverr gig. So kindly follow me. First of all, we need to go to fiverr.com. So after going to fiverr.com, you need to search. So you need to search the topic or the niche you wanted to create a gig on. So me, I wanted to create a gig on email signature. So I will search. Searching on email signature. So here is it. As you can see, these are the suggested topic. We have 2000 service available. So let us click on the suggested topic because the out of the suggested topic, this is the one that related to the search, which is the Gmail signature. Let me click on it. So after clicking on it, as you can see, it has brought a lot of services. As you can see, most are Fiverr's choice. This one is Fiverr's choice. $20. This one is delivering its own $10, $15. As you can see, we only have one $5 here. So level one seller. So what we are going to do now is to open some gigs and take idea from there. So kindly follow me. Let us choose number one, number two, and one from this place. So you now wait for it to load. Out of this suggested topic, you can still click a something here again. You can click anything here. But the best thing for us to do now is to copy all these suggested search into a notepad. Come here and open a notepad because we are going to use it. So maybe we should click online searches. So we need to click online searches in order to see those online. We have only 60 service online. So HTML email signature, Gmail signature, email signature. As you can see, this is the professional way to do it. Let me open one here again. So we have copied the, what was it called? These are the suggested thing we are going to use. The next thing we are going to do here now is, so you clear what we need to do here now is to use an AI to write a profitable Fiverr gig title. So let us copy this one. Come to AI, then write it like this. Write a short gig title for email signature or HTML email signature for Gmail. So wait for the AI to type it out. Then from there we know I will create a professional and eye-catching email signature for Gmail. Let's copy this out. So let's try another one. Write a short gig description, gig title, Fiverr gig title. Let us put Fiverr. Write a short Fiverr gig title for email signature or HTML email signature. I will create a professional HTML signature. I think this one is more okay. So we just copy it out like this. I create a professional email signature.